Good morning class. Now today also we are going to continue with fourth lesson in workbook Eid ka. We are going to continue with the exercises of that on page number 40 today. As we have completed our work till match the following, now today we are going to do sounds right. Here's a list of words we use for different sounds: ringing, tricking, crying, slam, clatter, trumpeting, hoot, buzzing, bleat, tinkle, toot, rumble, patter, roll, beat, below. Now turn to page number 40. Here fill in the blanks. You have to fill these blanks using these words. Now let us go through it. First one is I hear the dash of an owl. So we have to choose this word. We are choosing hoot. That is I hear the hoot of an owl. The dash of a drum, the beat of drum, the dash of raindrops, the patter of raindrops, the dash of an elephant. As you all know, elephants trumpet. So here we have got the word trumpeting, the trumpeting of an elephant, the dash of doorbell, the ringing of a doorbell, the dash of a lion, the roar of a lion, the dash of a clock, the ticking of a clock, the dash of a door, the slam of door, the dash of bees, the buzzing of bees, the dash of thunder, the rumble of thunder, the dash of horn, the toot of horn, the dash of horses and hoofs, the clatter. You have to tell here the different sound of all this. The dash of an animal in pain, the cry of animal in pain, the dash of tiny bells, the tinkle of tiny bells, the dash of a bull, the bellow of a bull, the dash of a lamb, the bleat of a lamb. Now in the second exercise, you have to use 5 expression in interesting sentences of your own. You have to use any of the 5 expressions from this and write the sentences based on it. You have to do this in the space given below like this. Now let us write the sentences based on it. The first word which we are going to use is hoot. The sentence for this will be we could hear an owl hooting in the woods. With a full stop. Second word which we are going to use is drummed. That is, now sentence for this will be she drummed while he played the guitar. Put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Third word which we are going to use is patter. Now, sentence for this will be, he heard the patter of bees patter of feet patter of feet behind him and turned his captive slits from his hand. Like an eel. Can eel. Put a full stop at the end. Now the sentence which we are going to write here is, we are going to use the word bleat over here. Okay, the despairing bleat touched a heart she had not sure still existed. Put a full stop at the end. In the E sentence, we are going to use the word row. We heard a lion roar in the distance. Now, here we complete with the 5 make sentences of 5 sentences. You have to write these sentences in this space given below. Now, complete this work using pencil. Don't use pen in your workbook. Homework for you all is to learn the question and answer of chapter 4 thoroughly. Thank you.